Candy Don't Play by Pam Hunt. Okay, so you don't feel right. You're sitting home on a Saturday night. Everybody's going out on the town, not you. OD on TV and too many snacks. What's a fella to do? Her name was Candy and she was sweet. You loved her, she let you beat her at chess. Now you're a hot man, 'cause she left you. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna say? Because Candy don't play those games no more. You're sitting there hoping you didn't bore her too much. She walked out the door anyway, and no one told you ahead of time. Candy don't play. No more sitting up late worrying about her. Flaxen hair and big brown eyes, thinking she's out on a date with someone else. It's tearing you up inside, feeling like a big waste. Was it something I said you think, or did I make her cry? I'm not really that kind of guy, but there's something they didn't tell you. The reason she went away, though she didn't say a lie. Candy don't play. Candy didn't want to stay, said she loved you anyway. Big eyes filled with sorrow, she's gonna be your brightest tomorrow. What did I do and never cheat on you? Was the truth there in your eyes? Hellos are better than goodbye.